All right, that was sound test on a Fishtails preDCS soundboard I've just repaired. Root cause of the problem was a failed 6264 RAM, so I have cleanly removed it, installed a 28-pin socket, and then installed a new RAM. While the board was here, I also recapped it, 100 microfarad. All these light blue ones are 47 microfarad, 47, and there's a 22 over here that needs to be replaced to prevent the amplifier from malfunctioning sometimes. And then these two big power filter caps. Deep down in there, that lower yellow device, that is a tantalum capacitor, and that one was blown, so I repaired that also. And this one is good to go. I'm gonna put a new label on that ROM chip just to make it look super nice. Thank you so much for sending it.